Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this plastic underdash trim, there's a Phillips head screw here, a push clip here, and a push clip up under here. I'm going to start with the Phillips head screw. Put that aside. Take a trim clip tool or a small flat bladed screwdriver. Just kind of pop the trim clip up, pull it out. Do the same over here. And this will just fall right out of there. You're actually pulling it off of the duct that's right here underneath the dash. Put that aside. Blower motor resistor is back here. To unplug it, push in this clip, pull down the connector, put that aside. There's two screws holding it in. These have, you can either use an 8mm or a Phillips head. I've got a Phillips head right here, so that's what I'm going to use. Unscrew them. And as I loosen it, work the resistor out. Here is the resistor. The blower motor resistor disconnected. We've got more room to get the blower motor out, just sitting here. But I'm going to unplug it first by pushing in the connector lock, or wiggling out the connector. The wires are loose. This is held in with 3 self-tapping bolts. They've got a T20 Torx or a flathead, or it looks like you can use a 10mm socket. So I'm going to use this T20 Torx because I've got it here. Just unscrew all these. I'll hold the blower motor as I loosen the last one. This blower motor is working, but it was making a noise. Sounded like debris stuck in it. This truck doesn't have a cabin filter to keep debris from falling into the blower motor. So we're going to see what's inside here. Yeah, it's filled with leaves. So I'm going to clean that out before I reinstall it. Blower motor cleaned. Put it back in place. Line up this square parts with this part over here. Sit right in place. I'm going to capture one of these self-tapping screws and install the remaining 2. Reinstall the resistor. It's keyed so it only goes in one way. It's going to fit in just like this. Capture the bolts. Capture one. Capture the other one. Now those are tight, you can plug it back in. It'll click when it's in place. Plug the blower motor back in. And those are install. Now reinstall the plastic trim. This opening is going to go on a heater duct that's under here. It's going to match up with this one on the trim panel. Just going to slide right on. Lift up into place. And install the Phillips head screw. Just tighten it down. It's just going into plastic. And reinstall the push clip. And reinstall the other push clip. Push that in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.